What is crypto? Monkey uses leaves to buy bananas. Monkey Bank controls all the leaves. Monkey Bank decides who gets leaves. How many leaves exist? Who can send leaves to who? Monkey Bank can freeze leaves. Monkey Bank can print more leaves. Monkey Bank can say no. Some monkeys did not like this. So some monkeys invented a new kind of leaf. A digital leaf. No monkey bank controls it. No monkey government controls it. No single monkey controls it. This is cryptocurrency. Money that belongs to everyone. And therefore no one. What is blockchain? Normal monkey bank keeps one book. Book records every transaction. Bank controls book. Bank can change book. Bank can lose book. Blockchain is different. Blockchain is the same book, but copied across thousands of computers owned by thousands of different monkeys all over the world. Every time monkey sends crypto to another monkey, the transaction is recorded in every single copy simultaneously. To change one record, monkey would have to change every copy at the same time. Nearly impossible. This makes blockchain very difficult to cheat, very difficult to hack, very difficult to control. How does crypto work? Monkey A wants to send one digital banana to Monkey B. Monkey A broadcast transaction to network. Thousands of computers verify transaction is legitimate. Transaction gets bundled with other recent transactions into a block. Block gets added to chain of previous blocks. Transaction confirmed. Monkey B receives digital banana. No bank involved. No middleman. No waiting 3 business days. No fee to some monkey in a suit. Just monkey to monkey. Directly, Bitcoin. First cryptocurrency. Created in 2009 by anonymous monkey called Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who Satoshi is. Could be one monkey. Could be group of monkeys. Could be a very smart gorilla. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. This is written into the code permanently. No monkey can change this. Scarcity is built in. Unlike leaves which monkey government can print endlessly. Bitcoin cannot be inflated away. This is why many monkeys call it digital gold. Store of value. Hedge against inflation. Some monkeys think 1 Bitcoin will be worth millions of leaves one day. Some monkeys think it will be worth 0. Both groups very loud online. Altcoins. Bitcoin was first. Then came thousands of others. These are called altcoins. Ethereum allows monkeys to build entire applications on its blockchain. Smart contracts. Automatic agreements that execute themselves without any monkey having to trust another monkey. Dogecoin started as a joke. Became worth billions. Still a joke. Some coins solve real problems. Some coins are created purely to make creator monkey rich. Many coins exist only briefly before disappearing entirely, taking investor monkeys' leaves with them. There are currently over 20,000 different cryptocurrencies. Most of them will not survive. How to buy crypto? Monkey goes to crypto exchange. Popular ones include Coinbase and Binance. Monkey creates account. Monkey verifies identity. Monkey deposits leaves. Monkey buys chosen cryptocurrency. Crypto stored in digital wallet. Wallet has a public key, like a banana address anyone can send crypto to, and a private key, like a password only monkey should know. If monkey loses private key, monkey loses crypto forever. No customer service. No password reset. No monkey bank to call. Gone. Permanently. Several monkeys have lost millions of leaves this way. One monkey threw away a hard drive with private key in 2013. Drive still sitting in a landfill somewhere. Worth approximately 700 million leaves today. Volatility. Crypto is not stable. Not even slightly. Bitcoin has dropped 80% in value multiple times. And recovered. And dropped again. And recovered again. Monkey could buy Bitcoin today. Wake up tomorrow 30% richer. Wake up next week 40% poorer. Sleep through it and be 200% richer 3 years later. Or not. Nobody knows. This is not like monkey bank savings. This is not like boring index fund. This is a very fast, very loud roller coaster that sometimes flies off the tracks completely. Monkey must understand this before buying. Volatility is not a bug. It is a feature. A terrifying feature. Crypto scams. Many scams. Endless scams. Rug pull. Developers create new coin. Build hype. Monkeys buy in. Developers take all the leaves and disappear. Coin becomes worthless overnight. Pump and dump. Group of monkeys buy large amount of obscure coin. Price rises. Monkeys on internet get excited and buy in. Original group sells everything at peak. Price collapses. Late monkeys lose everything. Fake exchange. Monkey deposits leaves into fake exchange website. Leaves disappear. Exchange disappears. If something promises monkey guaranteed returns on crypto investment, it is a scam. Always. No exceptions. Guaranteed returns do not exist in crypto. Or anywhere. NFTs. Monkey buys digital picture of bored gorilla for 200,000 leaves. Monkey now owns a token proving ownership of that digital picture. Anyone can still see picture. Anyone can screenshot picture. But Monkey owns the token. NFT market peaked in 2021. Many NFTs now worth approximately 0 leaves. Some monkeys made extraordinary amounts of money selling them. Many more monkeys lost money buying them. Market largely collapsed. Not completely gone, but mostly very quiet and slightly embarrassing to bring up at banana parties now. Should Monkey invest in crypto? Maybe. Small amount. Amount Monkey can afford to lose entirely without crying. Crypto could become foundational technology of future financial system. Or it could be the largest speculative bubble in monkey history. Probably somewhere in between. Never put all bananas in one digital basket. Never invest based on what Monkey sees on social media. Never buy something Monkey does not understand just because other monkeys are excited. Do not invest money Monkey needs for rent or food or bananas. Crypto is high risk. High potential reward. High potential complete loss. Monkey has been warned. What Monkey should know. Crypto is not going away. Blockchain technology is genuinely interesting and has real applications beyond speculation. But most individual coins are speculative bets, not investments. Bitcoin and Ethereum have survived longest and have strongest track records. Everything else is significantly higher risk. The technology is revolutionary. The market around it is chaotic. Many serious monkeys have made life-changing money from crypto. Many more have lost everything. Monkey should learn before buying. Understand what Monkey owns. And never ever lose that private key. Please subscribe.